Welcome to Teddy Ganja Broadcast. Get informed, yeah. Don't get round fool. Just be cool, yeah. Get informed.
And we are back. What is going on? I knew Thursday was going to be an interesting day. More sideways trading in my eyes, but I am seeing a few spots potentially of opportunity. Is there a reversal coming? Not a full bullish reversal, but potentially some bullish days. Let's figure it out together. But before we start, it's hard. It's really hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. Whether you're watching me live or you're watching the recording, hit that subscribe, smoke that like button. It does help the channel out. We love to keep ourselves informed, and that's what we're all about. So if that is you, come join the ride. Guys, I have a lot of stuff that I want to discuss. Let's start off with the market. And the market is sideways, 2.29 trillion. Last time I talked to you, 2.3, 2.32, not too bad. A little bit of a retracement from the last time we talked, but really it's up since yesterday. So good and bad, but we'll see what the rest of the month has to bring, as well as the new month coming in. And tonight is the presidential debate. So you know there are things that are happening. Oh, Teddy, I should sell 8. Think I should sell. I'm all in. I'm all in. Great content, man, but low views in some of your previous uploads. Contents way to connect. I know, Alonzo. I know. There is a issue with suppression, and that's basically what's happening. Soul, are you thinking of panic selling? I told everyone, hey, Solana 130. This is still a good entry point. Even if there's blood ahead, we had the news. There was fake news, or potentially fake news. Allegedly, Solana was going to have a case and a big investigation that Crypto Bitlord says, who's backed other coins in the space. So now, when that news came out, a lot of people were skeptical. I doubled down. I'm like, dude, there's so much positive things coming for Solana. Take a look at it. And then Solana went crazy. Bonk went crazy. We talked about Bonk as well. Go watch the other live streams, guys. These are true things we discuss. I'm not a financial advisor, but we love looking at the ones that we can speculate on. And we were wrong about some as well, right? We looked at Bitcoin Cash, we looked at Litecoin, and unfortunately, we didn't have any uptrends that we had noticed when discussing them. Now we're pretty much even basically where we were looking at them again. So I'm like, hey, potentially they're still ramping up. There could still be a push, which usually means Bitcoin Cash to 500, Litecoin to 100 plus. So I'm waiting. I'm quite ready for it. I just don't know what's going to happen. It's because it's sideways, but Solana is up. Why is Solana up? The ETF. There is rumors of an ETF being filed or seen for the first time, and it pumped the price up. I expect from this point on, Solana is going to continue to pump because we know what happens to coins that get ETFs. People are just doing it. I bought 1,800 Solana, $34 a coin, dude. That is all we have to do is wait. That's it. Definitely don't panic sell. Just keep waiting. At this point, you're accumulating, and you're figuring out good entry points. If you're in it for the short term, you're doing quick trades, either 2-minute, 3-minute time frames, or maybe even a little bit longer. Maybe you're doing weekly trades, and that's all dependent on the time frames you're charting. Here, we're really looking at the day time frames. So we want to make predictions on the next few days, but usually it's like the next day itself. So we're looking at the heat map, and really we're looking at the market caps and how the dominance is doing. Bitcoin still holding strong at 53, Ethereum at 18, even with the price action being so down from what we're used to, right? Oh, we wanted to get to 70 grand. Now we're at 60 grand, 61 5 and we're still holding 53. So we know the money's exactly where it's supposed to be. We also are potentially seeing another battle of the market caps between BNB and Solana. We've seen BNB retrace to 540. We've seen BNB come back up. And I keep saying this again, watch for BNB. BNB is an outlier. BNB is not following the rest of the market. So be ready. I'm putting a hold on my Bone Bear subscription so I can buy more Mana. Okay, bro. Come on now. Come on now. Triple G's NW. Nice to see you. Thanks for checking in. And I think NW, you recently came to a Explore the Weird live stream as well, right? Maybe I'll see you this Sunday as well. We'll see. Oh boy, guys, we are doing live streams on my second channel. Do check out Explore the Weird. It is picking up a lot of goons over there, a lot more than the crypto side. We've done 3 so far, and it's been interesting. It's not as depressing as some of these other ones. So I know what's his face, Soul Train. I did. It was weird. I know Soul Train was there too, and he was like, "Oh my god, my dreams aren't being crushed here." But yeah, this looks like this channel may make it to 4K subscribers before the crypto channel even does. So at this point, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm quite excited for the growth, and also not excited because it means more YouTube algorithm and more suppression, which is something I have to deal with over there because I've always been dealing with suppression here. But Explore Teddy's Hair was a great stream. Yeah, that's basically what happens here with Explore the Weird. All right, so sorry, just filling you guys in there. So I do want to continue on with the best cryptos based on the latest data, guys. What is trending? What is up? What is down? Hey, AI's down. AI's down across the board. Fetch AI. There's a few other AIs I'm looking at. I have pulled an article just to kind of drill down into emerging AI coins and keep track of what they're doing. Seriously though, it's a great channel. I appreciate it. I was disappointed you didn't know Hecklefish, bro. I'm literally in a live stream and I watched the Y-Files like maybe 3 or 4 times, and I enjoyed it, but I didn't put 2 and 2 together that the goldfish was known as Hecklefish. I just knew about the goldfish. I didn't know about the name. I guess I'm not a full-fledged Y-Files lover. I'm just half noob. I'm a half noob. For those of you guys that don't know, there's things on the crazy side, Explore the Weird side, where there's channels like there's even like the Fittest Flat Earther. I'm sorry, I'm going into tangents. ADHD. We're gonna keep it crypto on the stream. Yeah, it's hard finding crypto enthusiasts like yourself. So what is up? Literally the market is up, but I do want to keep in mind that we are seeing some fear potentially. I know we're very close to that fear scale, and right now we're pretty much at neutral, but I am skeptical that we may not touch fear before we see us going bullish again. But for the most part, anything that was up the previous week is down currently. Anything that was related to Solana is up currently. Jupiter doing great, Pith doing great, Bonk doing great, and a few meme coins outliers here and there. We had seen Brett from Based and all these other tokens that are killing it. Pepe coming up, so I am watching Pepe now. I've been having a lot of look at Pepe, especially with the LP, where it's at, what it's done, and it's really getting itself ready, I think, for the next leg up. And a lot of people aren't going to be ready. And what's cool is now you can kind of follow Pepe's growth strategy as it goes. So Certic got it released then, and then we'll see as Pepe goes into this next few years what's going to happen. But I'm feeling like now, with the research I've done, hey, maybe Pepe is still a good entry point just because of that LP. I should have sold my Tucker. I know, dude. I told you to take profits and you said no. Mr. T and Hecklefish, you 0 for 2. And don't you just pile it on. Just pile it on. Just pile it on. Yo, Ben Spada. I think Ben Spada was there too. Literally all the goons from the crypto side came to support the Explore the Weird side. So I do appreciate you guys also representing me on the Sunday streams during the afternoon. I definitely appreciate that. I have been staking my Solana during the bear market at 7.88 APY. Wow. 6.187 SOL worth 1,001 passive income on Ledger Nano X. Dude, Ledger Nano X, amazing. Amazing. I want to say I have mine. Wait, do I have mine? 1 second. Yeah, I just got mine, so I'm like, I'm ready for it. Let me show you the Ledger Nano X right there. So I definitely unsealed everything. I made sure it's from the legit company because you don't want to buy knockoffs and then they have your stuff. So I can't wait. I hear they're staking things. The app's cool. I even did the pre-order for the Ledger stacks. So I'm quite ready. I was there. That was a great live stream. I've already gotten clips for the next one, but I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. I always feel weird because my algorithm is all explore the weird now on my Instagram. Like every video I go click on next is always like it's always random explore the weird content. I also want to point out Ethereum name service. There was a lot of rumors that Ethereum name service is primed for takeoff because it is one of the most used tools or utilities with Ethereum. You know, it gives that naming convention to decode your wallet. You know, hey, Ben.eth is actually this wallet address. Brett.eth is this wallet address. Pepe Deployer.eth is this address. So the ENS is playing a big name, and as Ethereum grows, I expect ENS to grow. So if you're looking for good entry points, ENS still feels like a good entry point. I'm at 30 right now. We've seen all-time highs as high as 76. I'm feeling pretty good to do it. So benspotted.eth, that's me. You see? You see? Iron Luxtrader, you should have staked your soul with Jito during the bear. You would have got a 20K airdrop just for doing it. Yeah, but the problem is it's not many people know Jito and stuff. You know, they're learning. Teddy, love that thing. Oh man, dude. I can't wait till mine is set up and I start moving stuff over to that because I'm just trying to keep this going, you know, and it's my own wallet, it's my own storage. I get to hold it. I say I hold my own keys. I can't lose it. I'm going to protect the key, everything. I'm going to do all the things. All the things. Let me see what else. No, that was pretty much it for what was trending and what was not. Almost everything else. I know we've talked about AMC up 75%. It's that low LP, it's helping push it. And even the market sentiment, even when it comes to GME, AMC, it's all like you never know. But hey, everyone is telling $1 is going to be soon. But let's be realistic. A lot of zeros. We are quite a few away from $1. And look at the market cap and look at the LP. So understand why it fluctuates so quickly. Notcoin retracing, and that was pretty much it. Almost everything. Trump is like either sideways or up right now. So it's hard to say because we got the debate tonight. We'll see. We'll see what happens in the debate. I'm quite ready. True. That's why I'm here always mentioning airdrops. Make the goons rich. Bro, if even one of us makes it rich, we're doing a goon party. We're all throwing a goon party. I'm going to invite you guys, reach out to me and be like, Teddy, I made it. I'm now the millionaire. Let's throw the goon party. And that's when I'm like, we're flying out to you, wherever you are. What do we do? Do we buy a mansion or do you rent out a mansion when we make it? What do we do? What are you supposed to do? I just want to get to the mansion. I'm feeling mansion 100%. It's going to happen. You'll see. You'll see. Do you think Trump related coins will rocket during the debates? Yeah, absolutely, bro. It's going to take off. They're going to see if he shakes his hand, what's going to happen. Who talks more, who talks over the other, who belittles the other guy. It's going to be all the things. I'm quite excited to see what's going to happen. I'll definitely have my eye on it as well. So we want to go over to the news. There's a bunch of things I want to cover. One of the main things is Chainlink is making moves. I really wanted to focus this stream because we're getting to the point where sideways market. We want to find good entry points. Sideways market, it's hit or miss, 30% up, 30% to 70% down. It can be all over the place. It is still considered sideways market. We're looking for those new all-time highs. Then you're trying to buy when it's sideways and when it's going down. Yeah. So Chainlink is actually doing a lot of utility development. They're streamlining the way developers are onboarded to their developer portal. They've streamlined the way that they interact with the processing power and contracts. They basically are going, hey, we'll figure everything out for you. Use our pool, use our data feeds, and they call them data streams, and we'll come back with you with the on-chain data that you need. And what happens now is people interact with the D app, it hits a contract, everything is checked against the contract. Well, Oracle's like, no. And I say Oracle because Chainlink is owned by Oracle, and Oracle is very big. Oracle is a gigantic corporate company that doesn't need blockchain to run. Oracle does not need blockchain. It is still able to run as a corporation without Chainlink. So now they have money in Chainlink as well. Well, they're not stupid. There's a true corporate company. Keep your eyes peeled when it comes to Oracle's Chainlink. You believe in Oracle, you got to believe in Chainlink. And we've known what Oracle has done. Oracle owns many of the database. We've talked about this on the stream multiple times. So you guys need to make those decisions on when is your entry point or exit point when it comes to these types of opportunities. So we know, hey, even now, even when the market is sideways, they went and they got their data streams now live, powered by AVAX. So AVAX is now going to use Chainlink data in order to pull from their chain only when needed. So all on-chain activity, when it goes through the Oracle network goes through their own like decentralized network, and they figures out, hey, this DApp needs to interact with this contract, and Chainlink does the entire hand holding across the board. And Chainlink has been deploying like this for quite some time. Chainlink has deployed to CeeLo. Chainlink has deployed to multiple chains. So what their goal is to make that adoption seamless and easy, so everyone gravitates towards Chainlink to use that processing power that they have. They have all the servers, so they're like, hey, we're going to be able to do this and keep you guys informed. So they even done the Gnosis network. So they have Chainlink's automation features there, not completely fully data streams, but more related to the CCIP. So really quite different types of integration, but nevertheless continued adoption and integration into the Oracle network. So we'll see how important Oracle is going to be when it comes to on-chain data, when it comes to telling you the right price, when it comes to telling you whether your trade was successful or not. So that is literally the breakdown. I loved the article. It was a very good breakdown of Oracle's Chainlink doing the proper things and continuing to build even during the sideways market. Because when the time comes, hey, you're using Chainlink for everything, using Link for everything, hey, it's going to be ending up hopefully that the utility correlates with the price action of the coin. So only time will tell. Keep an eye on Chainlink. Continuing on, Solana, it's finally happened. Oh man, VanEck confidence in Solana ETF filing. The news of VanEck Solana ETF filing with US SEC. It happened at the surge. They said 8% on the day. It's a brand new day now. We're about 1% up or down here. So not too bad. We're right around sideways trading. Last time I talked to around 130, 127. Now we've come up to 150. A little bit of retracement. Yeah, this is just brand new news that comes out. We'll see what ends up happening. I'm assuming it's going to be the similar things. They're going to have to file like a two-part thing similar to Ethereum. There's all the speculation, but in the end, they are saying anticipate a bullish sentiment. It is going to happen 2025. 2025, new administration in the White House and SEC as the anticipated election date draws near. I believe crypto is going to be a hot button topic in this election cycle. They're going to do whatever they can. They're going to make crypto potentially the distraction that we focus on. And hey, whatever it may be, if it helps our pockets, we figure out how to make it. We're going to make sure. We have those opportunities. So we've been talking about Solana. It is still not too late. Keep in mind, Solana is geared for 200 plus, 500 plus, 1,000 plus. So what we're seeing now is nothing compared to what we could see in the future. So entry points, even at 147, 130, 100, and even some people speculated under 100 in some of those articles. Hey, if this bearish movement continues, I can see Solana going under 100. I wasn't quite fully there, but I knew those support levels existed. We looked at the charts, and now I want you guys to make that determination on whether Solana feels right for you or not. Understand that these are the bullish sentiments that are pushing Solana forward. Continuing on, things are happening across the board. Adoption across the board. Coinbase has now integrated one of the biggest credit card payment processors, Stripe. Stripe is literally used across the board for credit card processing, credit card holds, credit card subscription management, processing any type of payment. Stripe is now very competitor to things like PayPal, Venmo, right? So Stripe has emerged, and now Coinbase has recognized that, and they have formed a partnership to bring fiat to crypto and off. So we're going to see what this does for cryptocurrency as a whole. I believe now maybe we'll start looking into some, hey, buy crypto with credit card, potentially. We'll see if Coinbase rolls that out, but I'm quite intrigued to see what's going to happen. I'm ready to see if all of a sudden we open up the credit card payment processing and boom, everyone just uses their credit card to buy. So in reality, many people use their credit card to buy, but you should be using your bank accounts is what they say. But let's see. USDC, it will be available as part of Stripe's crypto on-ramp. So keep in mind, they don't say USDT, they say USDC. So other than that, we really don't know too much. They just released this. This is all brand new information, but good thing for Coinbase, good thing for Stripe. I'm sure both their stocks are doing great. Final article I want to bring to your guys' attention. Let me just check in with the chat. NW, if Pulse Chain gets to a penny, I'll be a millionaire. Need Richard Hart, pump and dump. You think Richard Hart still alive or as Richard Hart, or has Richard Hart like disappeared and changed his identity? Wish I had gone into Caspa when first saw it. You saw Caspa and you invested into Casta? Moon Carl's project? Come on now. What happened? Teddy, I was supposed to make it all back, and then boom, this happened. I'm like, oh, okay, makes sense. Bought my Trump NFTs with credit card lol. Should have just bought ETH. Yeah, he got us good. But I think I used ETH in the end. Polygon network. Yeah. So 3 artificial intelligence coins that these guys have been monitoring being crypto, and that is Matrix AI Network, also known as MAN, LimeWire, which we've talked about LimeWire early on. We were one of the first few guys to look at it, and Pal AI. So these 3 they've highlighted. I went through the entire article, guys. Main things I want you guys to focus on is the chart and the support lines they've drawn. Yes, it has bounced off support. Yes, it hasn't reached all-time highs, and yes, it's possible that all 3 of them could reach new all-time highs. It indicates from their charts that they're like, hey, there is more bullish sentiment ahead of what they've seen. And yes, it's a great week for them. We'll see if there's retracement and another bounce off the support line. If not, it does appear like they're good entry points if you are trying to see if it stays above support. So First one was Matrix AI Network, and it seems okay. It is still going up, so I'm anticipating that there'll be further price action up. The second one being LimeWire, and LimeWire is pretty much going sideways. I'm hoping it catches support and then bounces off, but right now it has retraced. It's gone fairly down, almost I think to 40 cents here, and we'll see if it's going to end up coming back up and staying above 40 cents. So that is the goal. And then finally, we got PAL. And really, when it comes to PAL, it's hard to say that it's not sideways trading before further blood. I don't see too much price action or volume in PAL, but I am seeing that there are articles coming out talking about PAL. This is probably the third time I've seen an article related to PAL. So I am speculating on how. The token's going to do, especially because it's lost momentum. It's like AI as a whole has lost momentum, and the ones that have emerged, like Fetch AI, the ones we've seen, they have their up and down days. And really, Fetch has been continuing to bleed since we saw that all-time high at 3. So hey, let's see what the rest of the market thinks about AI, and only time will tell. From the indicators itself, it does appear to be like a good entry point, but proceed with caution there as well. Yeah, so that's all I had for the news. Let's move over to the chat so we can go look at the chats. Go look at the chats before the debate. Oh boy, who you guys rooting for? Let me know. Let me know. Oh Teddy, oh Teddy. Oh, Teddy, indeed. Oh, Teddy, indeed. So this is where I'm saying, hey, yes, I have seen there is some green. Potentially, there is bounce from the support level at the 0.236, and I did move my fib retracement from the previous fib to the new all-time to the new high for this current period to the last low on the current period to see that retracement. And now we're seeing this fib potentially bounce off the 0.236. If it does, I need to get to 66.7. I get to 66.7, I'm back into bullish territory. Then I go, yes, all these other things are achievable. Right now, Triple G is still giving a support level at 59K. So 59K still is within reach. It's 2K here and there, not too bad. No, I didn't buy Casta. Lol, Caspa sounded like Casta. I said it's a Fugazi. Oh my God, I see what you did. I see what you did. So you didn't buy either. Like, oh, it's just a play on that. Oh boy. Oh boy. Look at you now. Look at you now. All right. Continuing on with Ethereum. Ethereum has retraced, bounced off the potential support at 3.2, and now we're seeing it hopefully stay above the 0.236 and continue making its march above 3,700. Why I say this, I'm still expecting the ETFs to be approved at some point. We're going to wake up one day, it's just going to be approved, and we're all going to reap the benefits. So I believe that time is coming. We'll see what ends up happening, but this is the levels that it's bouncing off from, and we'll see how much higher it'll go. The level I'm trying to look at is 3,700. We get to 3,700, I'm back to 4Ks within reach, and then eventually 4 or 5, and eventually 5K. So we'll see how much, but 5K is like most people's target. So I'm like, hey, if you're trying to take profits and 5K is your exit endpoint, maybe don't wait for 5K, maybe exit before, a little before 5K. But if your end goal is long-term generational wealth, you have no problem. Just keep holding. There's nothing else. Generational wealth is the new thing. Generational houses, generational everything. Everything is going longer and longer. There's no such thing as getting things quicker. So continuing on BNB, as I said, BNB is not really following market sentiment. It's now had like 3 potentially green days and has bounced off the 0.382 level. And we're now at the 0.5 and 0.618. It's still 588. 588 is $8 away. It gets to $8. I go bullish on BNB again, and BNB's exit point for me is still around 700. So I'm just riding that $100 up and down every time it happens, and it does appear like it's going to happen. And now this is where Solana's long came in today. Everyone's going bullish on Solana. Bunch of new things coming out, and we had the crossover. So Solana did flag long. So we'll see if this long plays and it holds. The next few days are going to tell us. When I talk to you guys on Monday, we'll actually know hey, what's happening with the price action there as well. XRP continued narrowing of the Andean, but really continued widening on Monday, right? So we saw it widen on Monday, but it's still going sideways. So I'm going continued blood. I don't believe we're quite out of the red yet, but let's see. Let's see. And then almost all the meme coins are just about starting their green, except Pepe, right? So Pepe's had 3 days now above the 0.618 and really has not even went below the 0.618. So that still keeps me in bullish territory. And I go, hey, 4 zeros to 1 is achievable. And really, in the grand scheme of things, if it goes crazy, I would love to see 4 zeros 3 2. Time will only tell. I do see Indians already crossed over. I'm assuming Triple G is going to come in and flag it with that long. When that long comes, everyone else is going to come in to the market. So I'm going, hey, get in now. You know, Bonk is another one. We're seeing the green candles come in. We're seeing the narrowing of the Andean, and it feels like potentially this is the entry point as well. If I was government and wanted crypto gone, I would allow it on markets for everyone to buy, then tank it. Everyone outside of US, degens are wrecked. Good game. Nobody wants to ever hear about it again. Yeah, I mean, so what's crazy is China has been caught doing this multiple times where they'll actually invest into Bitcoin and then say they'll ban Bitcoin. And then people dump the price action of Bitcoin and they go in and they buy it up at the lower price action they hold, and they keep doing this in cycles. I think they've done it like 4 times so far, and we'll see. I think now there's even talks about China and mining and how, like, hey, potentially they're trying to get mining back opened up in China, and if that happens, their miners, the last time they're in it, they really had the full market. It was very hard to get in, and then finally they did a ban on mining, and finally other countries emerged and we're doing better. But if China opens up that crypto mining again and allows it, oh boy, it's governments are going to play into that as well. So let's see. Yeah, I didn't know you were a smoker of the like button there, NW. I thought you were straight edge. That is good to know. That is good to know. Teddy, he's always smoking every time he's watching. Yep, keep smoking that like button. Like button loves it. And really, let me see other stuff going on. WorldCoin. I want to show you guys Litecoin. Let me just grab my Litecoin. Did I have where did LTC right here? So here's the 73. Here's the 2 green candles, the short, and remember, this was on Monday where we came in and we had that red day. But in theory, we've already made back where we were on Monday. So I'm going potentially. There is potential hope for another bull run for LTC and a small mini rally with LTC and Bitcoin Cash. So because I am seeing those 3. Lol, smoke the like. Yeah, 100%. 100%. And I think that is all I had for this chat segment. I'll move it over to Goon Time. Goon Time is your time. Anything you guys want me to review, do let me know. I'll check it out. Otherwise, I go bye-bye. I will see you guys again Monday. Do check out the debate tonight if that intrigues you. If not, it doesn't affect you. Don't watch anything. I'm completely fine. I'm mostly watching to see if anyone messes up and says something they shouldn't, or like forgets, or has like a senior moment. JTO. Okay, let's check out JTO. I think we looked at JTO and we told you to get out, and then you said no. And JTO. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 green candles in a row. Could be following market sentiment. Maybe this is where you make it all back. Andean's still pretty wide. We did call that Indian. When it's that wide, it's usually a bad sign. But now it appears to be narrowing. So maybe this is the recovery point. JTO. Tucker. All right, let's look at Tucker as well. Tucker. Okay, buddy. Oh boy, yeah, that short signal came in, dude, and this could be that killer short. This could, I mean, you're at 2 cents now. When I talked to you, got at 2 zeros 4, I think. So maybe sell a little at this point, because even with the 4 green days, the market sentiment, it's still in red. They're still dumping on us. I don't trust it. No buy sign. No buy sign. The closest buy sign you had was JTO, and JTO looked promising. It looked like Indian was narrowing, so that could be soon. Other than that, yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty pretty bloody thing that happened to you in Tucker. Imagine here, bro. You had the opportunity, you came to me and you were like, should I sell? And I was like, yeah. It's happened so many times. All the goons. We just want to get more. The FOMO. We don't want to miss out. We don't want to get dude, wouldn't you be happy with 10 grand? What, you always need $1 million? Peace. All right. I think that is it. I don't see anything else coming in. Guys, I go bye-bye. I will see you guys again Monday. Do check in with us. I know next week is a holiday for the US goons, but we'll still be here churning. So don't you worry. We'll still be getting content out to you. I hope to see you guys on my next live stream on Sunday on Explore the Weird. If not, I'll see you guys Monday. Stay safe, stay strong, and most importantly of them all, don't be a hero. Just don't do it.
Don't get rapped. Yeah. Don't get rapped. Yeah. Don't get rapped. Yeah. Don't get rapped. Yeah. Get informed.